Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are talking about stuffed dinner rolls with spinach, sun-dried tomatoes and feta cheese. These are the ingredients for the stuffing, and these are the ingredients for the dough. The quantities are in the description below. We are going to make the dough in a bread machine, but if you don't have a bread machine, you can check out the recipe here above. Melt the butter, add cold milk. Add egg only once the butter has cooled down. If it's too hot, it'll cook the egg. Stir the ingredients. Then mix the dry ingredients separately: sugar, flour, salt and yeast. Pour first the wet ingredients into the bread machine basket and then the dry ingredients. Set the bread machine to the dough setting just to make the dough and not bake it. In the meantime, let's prepare the stuffing. If you bought unpackaged sun-dried tomatoes at the market, soak them in boiling water to disinfect and clean them. In the meantime, stir-fry the onion until golden and then add the spinach. You can use fresh or frozen spinach. Frozen spinach doesn't need to be cleaned. Let all the water from the spinach dry out and season with salt. Drain the sun-dried tomatoes once the water is cold and dry them with a kitchen cloth. Finally chop them in a blender and mix them with the spinach. Butter a baking pan of about 11 inches to 28 centimeters, the base as well as the edges. Once the dough is ready, dust a large sheet of parchment paper with flour. Place the dough and roll it into a large rectangular shape. Brush the top with abundancy of butter. Spread over the spinach mix and then crumble feta cheese on top. Okay, I'm glad you're done. With the help of the parchment paper, tuck the long side of the dough into a roll to form a long sausage. Cut the rolled dough into slices and arrange them in a pan with the curl facing up. Brush the top with an egg wash, egg mixed with milk. Cover with a cloth and then let them rise for 30 minutes. Bake them in a hot oven for 30 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit to 180 degrees Celsius. Once they are ready, turn them over into a serving dish. Serve them warm with a salad or a warm soup. They're also suitable for a potluck or a picnic. If you want to use a different filling, you can try these combinations of cheese and veggies. For more recipes, see the videos above. And don't forget to subscribe. You massacred that lovely roll. Too bad it didn't burn your fingers.